Eagle pose is a standing balance pose, working on your concentration and endurance. Strengthen your ankles, calves, thigh, and hips and shoulders. Also increase your flexibility. Standing in somersetting. Inhale, bend your knees slightly and bring your arms out and parallel to the floor. Spread your chest wide open with a straight spine. Inhale, lift and cross the right ankle on the left knee. Hook your right foot behind the left calf and flexing your right foot to stabilize yourself. On the next exhale, bring your arms in front of your body. Cross the left elbow over your right, drawing the forearms up and join your palm together. Activate your fingers towards the sky. Maintain a steady breathing. On exhale, try to lift your elbow to shoulders level while drawing your shoulder blades down. Place softly and gently forward through your hands. Maintain your breathing slowly, deeply, and steadily for 30 seconds to as long as you're comfortable. For beginners, if you are unable to fully cross your knee, place your ankle on top of your thigh bones while keeping your foot strong and flexed to protect your knee.